What's up, my North Carolina people? Today, I'm excited to share essential tips for first-time home buyers. So, whether you're just starting to think about buying a home or are already in the process, these insights will help you navigate the home buying process with confidence. All right, so first, let's talk about your budget. It's more than just the price of the home. Consider your income, your debts, and other expenses that you have. Remember, unless you're getting a VA loan, you have to plan for the down payment. And don't forget, whether you're getting whatever type of loan you're going to get, there's going to be closing costs associated that the buyer is going to have to pay. Planning for your budget now is going to set you up for success later. Next, before you start your house hunting, make sure you get pre-approved. Seen it many times. It's a common issue. Buyers don't get pre-approved. Their offer gets rejected because there's no proof that you can actually close on the deal. Okay, so make sure you get pre-approved. There's a lot of mortgage options out there, so make sure you talk to a mortgage broker to find the best fit for you. Of course, if you don't have a mortgage broker, you can reach out to me and I'll get you to the right person who's going to best serve you and your needs. Next, you're going to create two lists. Your first list, your must-haves. Next list is your wish list. Must-haves, they are non-negotiables. They might be things like location or number of bedrooms. Well, your wish list covers things that you would like to have, but you can live without. All right, this is going to help you stay focused on what truly matters. Make sure you have a good real estate agent. A good real estate agent is your ally. We provide access to the listings. We offer insight to the local market and the negotiation skills to make sure that you can get the best deal possible. And then, of course, we're there to guide you and get you through the process as smooth as can be. All right, we're here to reduce the stress on you and make sure that no stone is left unturned. Start your search online. Maybe it's things like Zillow. You can visit my website and look at local area listings in this area here in Onslow County, Pender County, Craven County, and Carteret County. Pay attention to the neighborhood, the local amenities, and the commute times. Maybe the commute time is what's important to you. So that might be go back to your lists of something that's a non-negotiable. I need to live within 15 minutes of where I work. I need to live within 5 minutes of where my kids go to school. Remember, it's not just about the house, but also the community and the lifestyle that it offers. All right. So if lifestyle is something that you want to live near the beach, maybe the location of where you're looking is what's important. Start looking online now. So now you found your dream home. It's time to make an offer. This includes the price, the contingencies, and other terms. And that's where, as a real estate agent, I'm going to help you put that offer in and make sure it is a strong offer. I'm there to advise you through that process. Negotiations are part of this process, so be prepared to make some compromises. Great. Your offer is accepted. Now what? What due diligence starts. Do not overlook a good home inspection. It is crucial. It's going to reveal issues that might not be visible during the showing. The professional is going to go in, they're going to crawl around, they're going to look behind everything, they're going to make sure that there's no stone left unturned. Once everything is cleared and you got the funding in place with your lender or the mortgage broker, then you're going to be able to move to closing. And this is where you'll finalize the paperwork and officially become a homeowner. Wraps up home buying tips for first-time home buyers. Remember, I'm here to help you find a perfect home and make the process as smooth as possible. Reach out to me anytime. There's my contact information. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so that you and others don't miss out on the next real estate insights.